First, we need to check the ID of September page. So we click on edit button. In the URL, you will find post ID is 3450. And now go to your MySQL database, find out the WP post table, and write down a query like select asterisk from WP post where post type is equal to page, because we need to change page to post. So you will find all the record, and now we need to find which id is 3450, and here is 3450, and change page into post. That's it. And now you can see your September page is not here, it is moved into post. Thank you.